This one got damaged on the rear door as well as the quarter panel. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my fill work. So I almost made an amateur mistake here. I have a Buick Enclave here I just put up on the frame rack. This one got damaged on the rear door as well as the quarter panel. Then it's also pushed in right here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this back into shape. I'm gonna start off by pulling this area out. I'll make a quick pull there, and I'll probably have to put a tab right on the edge here. I'll show you guys that when I get to it. These can be a little tricky because I got to get this molding to fit and snap in just right. And obviously it is way off right now. So I'm going to go ahead and start metal working this one, getting it back into shape. Alright, I have this metal all worked out. My door gap is nice and flush and even. The molding's lining up very good. So I'm going to go ahead and start my fill work on this and get this one knocked out and primed up. So I almost made an amateur mistake here. I didn't realize there was another body line that went up through here. So I had to mark it and rework that area a little bit. Now I'm gonna put a glaze coat up to the tape line. And then I will show you guys how I use tape to help work my body lines into shape. So one little trick to double check your body lines is you go wet the panel down and it kind of simulates a clear coat. And then you can kind of see how your body lines go. This was the one that gave me a little bit of a hard time, but it looks good now. So this one is ready for paint.